Hello, welcome to Technology Platform. So today we are going to see the same global and local variable differences, but part 2. Let me open idle. Now, I want to change the inside string. Let's see the same thing what we seen earlier classes. Now here I mentioned like my string equal to, I'm just adding like um I can say like my string plus test. So I want to print it like this is test. Okay, but as of now I just here mention test only. Here I'm going to mention this is, so as a concatenate I should get like this is test. So that is what my intention. Now print of my string. Now here if you run this you will get an error message. Sorry, not here. Now I am going to write it my string equal to this is. Okay, first let me run it my function and then you will understand what I'm going to write. So here you can see the my string is not associated with any value. Okay, because I used something like concatenate and getting an error message, cannot access local variable my string where it is not associated with a value, because this one is I'm unable to perform it. Okay, even though I cannot call it. Right now see this def my function, and then you have to use keyword like global keyword, global my string. Now you can copy these two things. Let's see. Now I'm just simply running this one. Let's see what it will say. So here my string is not defined. Right now I'm going to define it my string equal to this is. Now I am going to use it my function. Now let's see how it is working. So I just passed this is here and test is coming from here. I'm changing the value inside the function. I declared some value, that value I'm going to change it. So for that you can use this keyword global, and then you can do it whatever you want to do it. I hope it will be clear for you. See you in the next class. Bye.